Health maintenance organizations, or HMOs, and preferred provider organizations, or PPOs, are two common types of health insurance plans in the United States. Each offers distinct features and benefits, suited to different healthcare needs and preferences. HMOs are known for their emphasis on managed care and cost containment. Under an HMO plan, members typically choose a primary care physician, or PCP, from a network of healthcare providers approved by the insurance company. The PCP serves as the gatekeeper for all medical services and referrals within the network. If specialized care is needed, the PCP issues a referral to a specialist within the network. HMOs generally require members to use network providers for all non-emergency medical services to receive coverage, and out-of-network care is typically not covered except in emergencies. One of the primary benefits of HMOs is their lower out-of-pocket costs compared to other plans, as they often feature lower premiums and fixed copayments for office visits and prescriptions. HMOs are ideal for individuals who prefer predictable healthcare costs and are willing to adhere to network restrictions for access to comprehensive care. In contrast, PPOs offer more flexibility and choice in healthcare providers while still providing cost savings through a network of preferred providers. PPO members are not required to select a primary care physician and can visit any healthcare provider they choose, either within or outside the network. There is no need for referrals to see specialists, giving members greater autonomy in managing their healthcare needs. PPOs cover both in-network and out-of-network care, although out-of-network services typically come with higher out-of-pocket costs, such as higher deductibles and coinsurance. The flexibility of PPOs appeals to individuals who value freedom in healthcare provider selection and may need access to specialists or facilities outside the network. Both HMOs and PPOs offer benefits that cater to different healthcare preferences and financial situations. HMOs excel in providing comprehensive coverage with lower upfront costs and predictable copayments, making them suitable for individuals and families who prioritize affordability and are comfortable with network restrictions. On the other hand, PPOs appeal to those who prioritize flexibility in healthcare provider choices, allowing for easier access to out-of-network specialists or facilities while still offering cost-saving incentives through preferred providers within the network. Understanding the differences between HMOs and PPOs can empower individuals to choose the health insurance plan that best aligns with their healthcare needs, preferences, and budgetary considerations. Click on the link in the description below for your free ebook titled Understanding Your Options, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful insurance info and tips.